Oh, I didn't know the camera was on since now. Let's go play something! Is that a dog? Is that a dog, guys? It's a dog, guys! It's a dog! Oh, great! That poor homeless dog! Ooh, a cigarette. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no! But that cigarette was nasty. That cigarette was nasty, people. That cigarette's literally nasty. Well, let's go! I need to go see the doggy! Oh my god! Is that a dog? Can you talk, doggy?
Yeah,
Do you have an owner or are you homeless?
I'm homeless.
Boy, are you a nigger? And then,
Yep, I pretty much forget
don't say that word, puppy! Ah! You're bad, puppy! You're never gonna catch me now!
it. Did you know there's a giant butt right there? See?
I see no giant butt! Well, I'm running. I'm running. Whoa. That is one homeless dog. But I don't want to say that word because he's going to be a bad boy. He's a bad dog. Where did the dog go? Doggy! 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 Guys, the dog's missing. Pumpkins! Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom.
I'm stuck in a tree.
Oh, that poor little freaking piece of poop need to get. Ow! I can break the puppy! Oh. What the heck is he doing? Guys, I need help. I need to kill that little shit. Oh no, unicorn! Oh, there's a little duck! Go, duck, go! Quack! Go, duck, go! Quack! You duck loose. He's not there! Where'd the dog go? Well, unicorn punch! Unicorn punch! Unicorn! This you! This guy's holding a dog! This guy is holding a dog! What's this guy doing? This guy is holding a dog! I don't think I'm gonna catch him. Wonder what happens if I press this button. Well, I don't think the button's gonna work, so